Counting off.
Yeah, it's video.
Counting off? Okay. Don't push anything else.
It is already starting.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm gonna watch him put it in and do the whole thing. It's a whole narrative deal.
Got it.
Best water I think you had so far with that. That's pretty good.
Well, I got the batteries all the way back too. It helps.
Well, there's like no current. I mean, there's no waves or anything.
It's crazy.
Over there, it kind of looks like it's got a bump over
No, that thing works pretty good just for the old. You're making its own waves now.
Oh, Alex would be having a good old time here. You want to drink that one?
Uh-oh. Must be getting hot.